there, you're about to watch a quick clip from Marketing O'Clock. If you like what you see, we release new episodes every Friday with all the digital marketing news of the week. So we'd love you forever if you'd like and subscribe. Thanks.
Some news from Alphabet, the holding company of Google and YouTube. And in their latest financial results this week, they found out, or I guess we all found out, that YouTube ads revenue was down 2.6% in Q1 2023 versus Q2 2022. That is an absolutely absurd thing that can happen. Somehow, Google found out a way to make less money on what should be the most popular thing in the world. Can you honestly believe that?
But what about all the shorts ads?
Yeah, I feel like...
No, I'm not even gonna address that.
Really? I thought that you were fishing for that. Okay.
No, it's just, they have done everything they can to run this thing into the ground. They're like, their stock dropped. They're trying to get you to sign up for premium and things that don't have ads. There's no cohesive strategy around anything that they're doing out there. And yeah, of course your revenue is going to go down. You're not trying.
They're trying. But trying the wrong things.
Okay, so here.
They're trying the wrong things.
Listen to this. So that happened, and there's an announcement now about a new ad type. Okay? You can now showcase your brand adjacent to music popular with Gen Z across devices and formats, including long-form audio and YouTube Shorts. We're going to make it easier to reach Gen Z audiences, ages 18 to 24, with the introduction of new AI-powered music ad solutions that will get your brand in front of trending music, such as music from headliner Blackpink. These will be available across devices and formats, including long-form audio and, coming soon, YouTube Shorts.
So you don't AI-powered, you're not picking the song maybe?
You're picking Gen Z songs that are trending to be popular using AI so that you can market your music alongside of people listening to video that contains popular music.
What?
What are we doing? Maybe you should make it so that somebody can play YouTube when their screen closes and not make that a premium version. Imagine how much more ad revenue you're going to get from that. You dopes. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, they go on to say, to align your brand with the music most popular with Gen Z at the moment, we're launching the Gen Z Music Package, available now for long form and audio. It leverages AI-powered signals across YouTube to identify songs trending with Gen Z so you can reach them with the music they know and love. The opportunity to reach Gen Z doesn't end there. This audience uses short-form video to participate in pop culture, discover new hits, and engage with their favorite musical artists. YouTube Shorts has amassed over 1.5 billion monthly logged-in users and over 50 billion daily views. That's why in coming months, we'll be piloting trending music on Shorts for advertisers.
This is just such a very specific solution for a very specific use case.
It's also written so poorly. The thing starts out and it's like an ode to Coachella. You read it and it's like, Coachella is one of the music's largest stages for those unable to make it to the desert in person. YouTube was a place, like, tell me what the ad type is. Tell me how I can use this.
This is giving the meme of the guy with the skateboard who says, "Greetings, fellow kids."
Oh, for sure.
Buscemi.
Yeah. The guy.
Well, anyway, there's this new type of ad on YouTube that you can do.
And nobody wants to.
I just feel like there should be more with this. How can I reach other people and in different ways?
I feel like Coachella just paid them for this. It's very weird.
Coachella got 2 Blink performances. So I'm not Gen Z.
Or maybe here's something you could do. You can build in like an influencer portal or something and say, hey, you've got 1,000 subscribers. Do you want to push one of these offers? Okay, cool. Here it is. Here's time when it begins, time when it ends. Here's how much somebody paid. We're going to take 30% of it. And then people that are creators can then use YouTube more. Brands can then put more advertising in with natural things that are like influencer-based ad types. And everything is nice. Or we can just make AI targeted Blackpink music detection. One or the other.
Yours sounds way less smart.